down the street. It's that golf cart. Got two more following that. Oh man, country people doing country things. This is how we roll. All right, here they are, two club cars. Got the roof sitting on that one, upside down. They are a project, but I do know a lot about these carts, so hopefully I should be able to get these things going. Look, it even came with a free animal crate, and if you know about us, you know that we have a petting zoo and we need these crates. So this one's missing a few things. That's an understatement. That one is too. We've got this Yamaha right here, and right now I just have these in our garage. This one's sitting outside, but I'll get them all over to the shop later. Didn't feel like doing it right this minute. This is a Yamaha G2, and these are club car DS's. So they go from like the early 80s to the late 90s. And I would think that these are actually older than mine. Mine's a 98. I think these are before that. But I'm definitely gonna have some work cut out for me, but I think I can get these things going. They're pretty solid. I didn't see really any rust because these are aluminum framed. Yeah, so pretty excited to get these things going, and stay tuned and I'll keep you updated.